In this video, we'll walk through how to generate custom travel reports in Navan, a powerful software that simplifies travel management for businesses and organizations. Stick with us until the end, because I'll show you how to create reports that are tailored to your company's specific needs. Plus, stay tuned for an exclusive offer to try Navan for free with bonus features that can help you make the most of this platform. Navan offers a robust set of tools to track and manage business travel, and one of its standout features is the ability to generate detailed custom reports. Customizing travel reports lets you focus on the data that matters most to your organization, whether it's spending trends, travel patterns, or booking behaviors. First, to create a custom travel report in Navan, you need to navigate to the Reports section. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're there, you'll see a few pre-built templates, but the real power lies in customizing these reports to fit your business's unique needs. You'll begin by selecting the type of data you want to analyze. Navan allows you to choose from various categories such as travel spend, booking types, travel destinations, and even traveler behavior. This flexibility means you can create a report that highlights exactly what you need. For instance, if you're a manager wanting to track travel spend by department or by employee, you can easily filter this information. Next, set your date range. You can pull data from a specific period, whether that's for the past week, month, or quarter. This makes it easier to monitor trends over time and keep track of your budget. With Navan, generating travel reports is all about flexibility, so you can quickly adjust the time frame to suit your needs. Once you've selected your filters, you can also organize your report's layout to make it more digestible. You can choose between different chart types, bar charts, line graphs, pie charts, and even tabular views to display data in a way that works best for your team. This way, your reports aren't just numbers on a page, they become actionable insights. Another feature I love is the ability to export your custom reports. You can save them as PDFs or Excel files, making it easy to share insights with your colleagues or higher-ups. Navan ensures you're never stuck manually compiling this data, which saves you time and effort. The most powerful part of generating custom reports in Navan is the ability to set up recurring reports. Once you've configured a report to your liking, you can automate it. This means you'll receive updated reports at regular intervals, ensuring that you always have up-to-date information without needing to generate them from scratch each time. You can set it up to send the reports directly to your inbox, streamlining your workflow and ensuring consistency. Now, I know you're probably wondering if there's a catch. Here's the good news. You can use Navan for free through the link in the description below. And not only do you get a free trial, but you'll also gain access to exclusive features that'll help you optimize your travel management. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to create custom travel reports in Navan and how to use these insights to make data-driven decisions that improve your organization's travel processes. This is a game changer for business travel managers, HR teams, and finance departments who need to keep track of expenses and trends. Remember, with Navan, generating custom travel reports is simple and efficient, and it can be fully automated to fit your needs. Make sure you check out the first link below for your exclusive trial and bonus features. Thanks for watching, and enjoy navigating Navan's powerful reporting tools.